Welcome to the 2D world of Assist. Discover CAD shows you how smart and intuitive the CAD Assist workflow is. This video is the first in a series that will show the complete workflow for best fitting grading of a trousers. This video starts with grading the back part with the Wool Editor. The great advantage of the Wool Editor is that you work directly on the piece, and the steps are intuitive and simple. In this example, we focus on local wools. What you learn here? We will be ambitious and start explaining axis rotation for parallel grading of the center back. Basic steps in the Wool Editor like Find Next, Assign, Delete, Copy and Paste and Multi-Selection are intuitive to use and make grading easier. We will show you how SmartGuide can speed up your workflow, and you will get tips and tricks for better fitting grading. So let us start grading the back trousers. Select the Wool Editor function and click on the center back where we want to start. Confirm the local wool. The active data point is marked with a red circle. To grade the center back, we have a choice. X and Y grading is common, but the fit suffers. Parallel grading is our choice and easy to implement with the rotary axis. Start the button. SmartGuide can help us rotate the axis perpendicularly. The example grade values will be displayed on the left side of the screen to follow it easily. Now select the lines. Press the right mouse button and select Linear Values. Enter the grade values. The grade nest appears immediately. You can change it here if you cannot see it. Our grade rules display absolute and incremental values. You can change it in the view Custom Both Values if you cannot see both. We can also add a nonlinear grading here. Click the Find Next button to automatically find the next ungraded point. Simple as that. You can check the input of the values in the drawing. At the crotch point, we switch to X and Y grading and reset the rotation axis. Let's move on to the grade point at knee height and enter the grade values in X and Y. It's a good idea to use the values of the inner side for the outer side. Select the Assign function to copy, mirror and paste the grading. Done. Let's continue with the hem and do the same operation again. Enter the values. Select Assign, copy, mirror and paste it to the other side of the leg. Go back up. To activate a point for grading, simply click on it. Enter the grade values again. It is possible to copy selected grade values to the clipboard. Go to the next grade point and paste the values from the clipboard. Then enter the non-linear value for size 42 again. All dart points can be quickly graded together with multi-selection. The outer contour is ready now. Let's check the grading in the SmartGuide menu with Grade Nest, Show Grade Rules and Construction Lines. We still need to grade the stripe line and the measure lines. Select Grading, Grade Internal Rules. Select the stripe line and the crotch lines. The crotch measurement line is split in the middle and has picked up some grade rules that we do not want. We can easily clean them up. Make a multi-selection with the Wool Editor and select Delete. Hover over the main contour to see the grade rules highlighted. It is -8 for the hip. Select the Wool Editor function and pick the hip line by pressing F4 until it is highlighted and change the wool number to -8. Click Change to confirm. Copy the Y grading with a sign to the center back. And trim the grading to the center back using the internal wools function. Hide the grade nest. The local wool numbers at knee contour are -4 and -5. Pick the knee line with the F4 key. Enter the wool number -5 and confirm with the Change button. Then close the window. Repeat the operation for the other side. Here you can see the grading quality. Even the little things are important for a perfect result. Exact grading results are our claim. So we want to fine-tune the curve at the backwise. Hide the wool numbers and select the Wool Editor. Pick the curve point which you want to manipulate. Select the point in the largest size and drag it to the desired position. Select X and Y values for all sizes. Press the right mouse button and choose Interpolate. Grade values will be recalculated linearly for the large sizes. Select them again. Copy and paste the values to the small sizes. Now the curves are really smooth in all sizes. The grading of the back trousers is finished. In Cut Assist, you learned how to grade back trousers using the Wool Editor. The Wool Editor functions like rotate axis, find next, assign, and so on were intuitive and easy to use. You have learned how helpful SmartGuide is. But there is much more to explore. Take a look at the other Assist cut stories. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope to see you again at Discover Cut from Assist.